how to sell car and vehicle accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. And in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and how to make a lot of money just like them. So let's just get started by choosing one of these products just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page for your own products exactly like this one, how to add as many pictures as you have of your product, and the video also if you have one, like this. And just keep in mind guys, the videos in Etsy don't have sound, so they are mute videos, they can't have any sound in them, but you can upload as much pictures as you want. And here I'm going to show you how to set the price as well, how to set the options like the size, and how to set the product's details, if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, the raw stone if you are selling jewelry, band style, and so on, and how to enter the description as well. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this page and let's go back to the first page, which is this one. Go up, go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is name in your shop. And here let's choose this name for our shop. Try to shorten the name and remove the spaces between words and the special characters. And here, as you can see, the name is still long, and here the name is between 4 and 20 characters, and it's also an available name. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And in this step guys, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now, you'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to add in the photos and details about our item, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then comes the inventory, and here you will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details. You will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last one is the shipping. You will need to fill all of these red fields as well. So let's just start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video in 1480 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you can tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we can start with the title. Let's enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here you choose the category of the product. You can just type the name of the product and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. I'm going to choose the first one, which is the car accessories. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's go with black. And the secondary color of the product. Let's choose pink, for example. And for the renewal options, you have 2 options: the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or the manual, which is free. I'm going to choose the manual. And here for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. In my case, it's a physical product. Then for the description, if you want guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the pricing. So here just enter the price of the product. And then we have the shipping, and as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. So for example, for the processing time, let's say it takes from 5 to 7 days, and this is just an example. Just do the same with the other information. Then the last thing is the returns and the exchanges policy. You can choose the 30 days, or you can choose another policy, or you can even create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.